Array indexer syntax. To assign values to the elements of a rectangular array, you will use one statement for each array element, meaning assigning a single value one at a time. So how am I going to do this? Any idea? Let me explain it to you. You can reference array elements using array indexer syntax, or you can say array notation syntax like this one, where you need to use row index and column index inside square brackets, and then assign a value to it. Let me show you. Hope these images will help you understand the concept visually. Now if you look at the image, you will see I have used these indexes to assign a value of 1. Let's assign more values to the int array. Now you know how to assign values to a rectangular array. There is another method I'm going to discuss in later videos, which is easy and heavily used during development.